be like that, and your other hand's gonna put it on and string. And I don't care if it goes all the way to the end, that doesn't matter. Just string the bead on. Okay, so can you show me 3 first so you make sure we're good? I'm gonna let you use that end. Okay. All right, we're gonna take these 3 off. And then we're gonna do this twice, and then you'll be all done with this part. Okay. Oh, wait till I say go. I see you. You're even coming up with a plan. He had them lined up in a row so you have them multiple at a time. No way, buddy. They're gonna be out like that. You're very good. You're very smart. I see that. On your mark. Make sure this hand gets the string. Get set. You're funny. And go. One at a time. Stop.